It was 19th of February 2021 when I posted this guy, Agbaloko of Ogbunike. He sings Egwu Ekpili. It went viral with about people forwarding it and almost 100,000 people playing it. Then people were calling in that they want to help this guy, that they want to sponsor him, that they want to make him somebody in life. Look at the screenshots of my Facebook page. Then I took it upon myself to go to his place to see him. But behold, Agbaloko is dead. The news shook me from the head to the toe. I couldn't. Then I asked, what happened? I was told Agbaloko gave up. Depression was mushing him, and he committed suicide. What a world. At the time when people wanted to help him, when people wanted to turn him around for good, Agbaloko's music would have been lost, but his destiny got cut short. Never you give up. That moment you want to give up may be the time, maybe your turning point to glory. It may be that moment you're waiting for. No matter how depressed you are, don't give up. I give credit to Shaka Zulu Onyeka Oreki, who made this video. Oh, may this never happen to our youth again. May this never happen to Anambra youth. Agbaloko Ogbunike, keep resting in peace. Oh, whatever happened, God knows the best.